Hey everybody, welcome to my page. Today I wanted to show you how I make my morning routine protein shake. You'll need a protein powder of your choice, a magic bullet blender, some almond milk or water or whatever beverage you choose, and some heavy whipping cream. And I wanted just to show you and give you some tips on what I do with my morning shakes. Let's get started. Okay everybody, so here we're going to get started making my protein shake for, well, it's almost noon. I waited kind of late to have breakfast because I laid in bed and tried to stay warm. So this is mainly going to be probably brunch. I'll probably eat something a little bit later, like a late afternoon lunch, something light, so that for dinner I can actually eat something really good. But anyways, one thing about keto is that when you're on eating a ketogenic diet with low carbs, you're not really hungry. There'll be I can go almost a whole day without feeling hungry. I might start to get hungry like mid-afternoon, late afternoon, then I'll want something to eat. But I'm still trying to fuel my body and put things in it to keep it going. So this is normally my morning protein shake. So today I'm going to try something new. I normally use this organic protein, which is very good. You usually use 2 scoops, and you put some almond milk. And I usually use probably a little bit too much more milk than I should. I use 12 ounces. You should probably use 8 to 10. Most of the containers say 8 ounces, but I like milk. I kind of miss that, so using a little more gives you probably a little bit more carbs. But this milk is only 30 calories per serving, and if you look at the nutrition here, it says total carbs 2, the dietary fiber is 1. Remember, if you're doing a net carbs, which I am doing on keto, you'd subtract the fiber. So this is actually 1 carb for a cup. So it's all good. I can have a little more. So for this protein shake, you're going to need the almond milk. And like I said, I just poured 12 ounces in there. You're also going to need this heavy whipping cream. Both of these are from Walmart. And for the heavy whipping cream, just so you can see, if you look here, total carbs is 1. It's 1 gram for a tablespoon. And when I make my shakes, I will fill this up. This is 1/4 of a cup. So I will fill it up with heavy whipping cream in here, and I'll mix it in my protein shake. Yesterday after work, my coworker was telling me about Trader Joe's, and I've only been once to Trader Joe's, so I wanted to go. She was telling me about some of the cool things they have, and I found this at Trader Joe's. So I was really excited to see this. It's another like protein dietary supplement drink, and so basically it's chocolate, it's collagen. So what happens in a lot of these diets, or I shouldn't say diet because really it's a lifestyle, a way of eating. So when you're on keto, and everybody is different on how it affects you, but here this some of the people that do ketogenic lifestyle will tell you to have like a collagen protein shake with MCT oils, or different things like that. And basically it's really good for your skin, hair, and nails. Now some people on the ketogenic diet will have certain side effects, like some people, and this is not everybody, and this is not me, I don't have this problem. That doesn't mean that the next person may or may not. It's mainly just trial and error. But some people their hair starts to thin out, or they lose hair. I haven't had that. I don't have that issue or anything like that. So I am trying to put more collagen in my body because I want my hair to grow. And since I've been doing protein shakes, my hair has been growing like crazy, and my hair is a lot thicker. for some reason. I don't know if it's just because of all the ingredients. There's a lot of things in here, vitamins and minerals and things in there that really give you more, you know, it's like taking basically a vitamin, but this is all plant-based, so it's good for you. This one here, so I'm going to use, it says on here to use, I think it was 1 scoop. It says 1 scoop with 8 to 10 ounces of water or your favorite beverages. And all of these proteins, you can use water or almond milk or whatever. I choose to use almond milk because it gives it a little bit more flavor. So, and the carbs on this one, it's only 1 gram. So that's kind of why I'm using it, because it's only 1 gram. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix the both of them. Normally when I make this one, it's 2 scoops and then I add the milk and my whipping cream and I have my protein shake. But I'm going to do 1 scoop of this and 1 scoop of that. Add it to my protein shake. So let's do this here. So I have my milk. I'm going to pour it into my little magic bullet. Okay. So I'm going to add 1 powder of each, 1 scoop. Kind of level it out. There we go. I'm just going to add it in there. Put that back and close it. I'm going to add my other one. Add 1 scoop of that. Some of you might be wondering, do you ever get tired of drinking shakes? I actually don't. I love chocolate, and this gives me my chocolate fix when I really want something chocolatey, and I don't mind drinking protein shakes. It doesn't taste bad to me. It actually has a really good flavor. This magic bullet really mixes it up really well. So it's really good. And I'm shaking up my heavy whipping cream just so that it doesn't settle at the bottom. I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup to my protein drink here. And I'm pouring it. Woo! Almost went over. Gotta be really careful not to spill it, you know, because I went really close to the top. I'm just going to pour it right on top. Okay, so I'm going to put this on and tighten this up. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. Trying to tighten it here. I'm going to set you down for 1 second so I can make sure I get this done. Alright, so now I'm going to put it on the magic bullet inside. Kind of shake it up a little. Sometimes you get some of this on the side. I'm going to get my little spoon and kind of scrape it down just a little bit, just so that I can get all this. It probably wouldn't happen if I didn't put so much powder. Probably put like a little, blend it and then add more, but anyways, just kind of mixing it up off the sides. Alright, I'm going to put it in there just for a little bit more. it's ready. So I'm gonna go get a cup so that I can pour this in there. I'm gonna use my favorite here. This is a blender bottle. That's what it looks like here. And this top comes off. And it has a little blender ball in here, and this actually helps it. So usually in the morning I'll put it in my cup and I can take it with me on the way to work, and I drink it. By the time I get to work, I've had breakfast. And so that blender ball will help kind of mix it up if it starts to settle, like if I'm on my way. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour this in here. And put my top on. And then I'm going to close it. And I'm going to just give it one shake, a couple of shakes here. Wow. And that's it. Voila, it's done. May have a sip. Yummy. It's chocolatey. And that's how I make my morning protein shake. Thanks for visiting, guys. Bye. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you up close and personal the actual protein powders. These you can find at Walmart or Kroger's, Target, any of those big stores, grocery stores will have them. They run about $19.99 and up, just depending on where you get them from. The Keto Chocolate Collagen here is from Trader Joe's, and that was like $19.99. So these are just some of the things you could use. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.